Welcome. This is how to lower your CPC on your Google ad campaigns. So, if you guys are struggling with high cost per clicks or you just want to optimize your ad campaigns in general, then here are some things that I do to lower my cost per clicks on my Google ad campaigns. So, let's get straight into it. Focusing on more esoteric and unique approaches will help you optimize your cost per click optimization strategies for your e-commerce businesses. This just works for basically all Google ad campaigns, but I will touch on e-commerce businesses specifically because I run an agency for them. So that is what I know the most in terms of my Google ads. But I'm pretty sure these can all be implemented in any of your ad campaigns, whether that be B2B, B2C, whether you're a service business, whether you're a product business, whether you're an e-com business. I think all of these can be used in order to downgrade your cost per clicks. Now, how you implement these will probably be affected by your business type and your industry, but that is up to you and your own best judgments. So, let's get straight into the first thing. First thing you want to do that can help lower your cost per clicks will be advanced keyword design. So you want to use stuff like SKAGs, single keyword ad groups. The reason this lowers cost per click is because they're highly targeted. So it kind of gets rid of all of the unwanted traffic to your landing pages because you basically get exactly who you want with your keywords. But the thing about that is you have to get the keyword right. Otherwise, you'll be targeting the wrong person and then you have a wasted ad group completely. This extensive segmentation enables superior customization of an ad copy and landing sites, increasing ad relevance and quality score while lowering CPC. Next thing you want to use is negative keywords. You want to keep your negative keyword list up to date based on search term data and niche market trends to avoid advertising appearing on irrelevant queries that waste your budget. So negative keywords basically stop you from like showing up on searches that you don't want to show up on, that maybe have a high cost per click, that maybe not converting well on your landing pages, and maybe just not be relevant to your ads in general or your product in general. So negative keywords are very important. Number two, this goes into a bit of psychology and is a bit fooey, but it is psychographic targeting. So it's creating a buyer persona, and then you want to use deep behavior analysis. So beyond basic demographics and geographic data, you want to examine psychographics, attitudes, goals, and other psychological factors. This data enables advertisers to customize ads that touch on deeper emotional levels, increasing engagement and lowering wasted clicks. Next thing will be interest based segmentation. You want to use precise interests and lifestyle data to create ads that target a specific segment of your audience, making your campaigns more relevant and avoiding unnecessary spending. Number three would be custom intent audiences. You want to create audiences using intent data. You want to create bespoke intent audiences by combing data from your customer relation management software. You want to use email interactions and online engagement metrics to target people who have exhibited specific buying signals or product interactions but have yet to convert. So these are things like you could use something like a retargeting from people that have been on your landing pages but haven't bought before. So you could, because you know they are essentially like window shoppers, and you can retarget them to try and get their business. And number four would probably be cross-channel optimization. You want to integrate multi-platform information. The more information you have, the better, because the better you understand your customers and your potential customers, and then you can recognize patterns for which to actually use in your ads to segment them properly so you can get the most targeted ads, lowering your cost per click. So you want to use information from other digital marketing platforms to guide your Google ad strategy. Understanding user behavior across many channels can help enhance your targeting on Google Ads, resulting in a higher personalized strategy that reduces CPC. So basically, if you understand lowering your cost per click is just making your ads more targeted to the individual that will buy your product, lowering your cost per click because it doesn't waste cost it doesn't waste clicks essentially, because the lower your cost per click, the more likely it will be for the person that clicks on your landing page to actually purchase. Number five will be algorithmic bid optimization. So this is a custom bidding algorithm. So beyond Google's bidding strategies, you can create or invest in custom bidding software that uses machine learning to predict and adjust bids in real time based on conversion probability and ad engagement metrics specific to niche market segments. I mean, Google Smart Bidding is very, very good and you can rely on that. But if you really want to go deep, then you can invest in a custom bidding software. But Google Smart Bidding is also very good and it is very reliable, and you can use that. So number six would be product feed optimization. So when you use enhanced feed attributes for Google shopping campaigns, enrich your product feed with esoteric attributes. So basically things that other people aren't using to make it stand out, like part numbers, specialized tags, or niche descriptors that help your products stand out in specific narrow searches, thus lowering your competitive pressure. So number seven would be seasonal trend integration. So basically what this is just targeting people during like what is it, like Boxing Day trends, like Christmas sales, stuff like that. So you want to adjust your bids based on market trends. You want to identify and capitalize on seasonal trends specific to niche markets. Adjusting your ads and bids according to these trends can help capture traffic at a lower CPC when interest peaks. So essentially, imagine if you're selling Halloween costumes during Halloween. You'd want to hike up your budget all the way during that time and maybe lower it for the rest of the year in order to lower your CPC and maximize your profits at certain times. So number eight would be use of hyper targeted content. So you want to use a dynamic content customization. You want to employ advanced dynamic ad features to customize content based on user behavior, such as previous products or content consumed. This tactic ensures that the ads are hyper relevant to each user, increasing click through rates and reducing unnecessary expenditure. So basically, all lowering CPC is making your ads highly, highly, highly targeted to the people that are most likely to buy your things. Because the less wasted clicks you have, the less your cost per click will be, and the higher your conversion rates, and the more profit you will make, and the better use of your budget you will make. Now, you don't have to use all of these, you can use some of these, and how and when you use these is entirely based on you, your business, your industry, the competitiveness in your industry, and the type of business you're running, whether it is e-commerce, B2B, B2C, whatever it may be. It is up to your best judgment, but these are some things that can be implemented, and when implemented right, they can make a big difference to your CPC. So implementing these advanced strategies requires a deep understanding of both your market and the capabilities of your Google ads. But if you guys are running Google ads for your businesses, you guys should probably be pretty well versed in how Google ads work and how to use all of these. But if you don't, I do run an agency, link in the description, to help you guys out with your Google ads. I work with mostly e-commerce businesses. I'm trying to move into like SaaS companies, like software as a service, for their Google ads. But right now I'm working mostly with the e-commerce brands. So if you guys do want help with your Google ads for your e-commerce brands, link in the description. Book a free call, like no strings attached whatsoever. This is just to get to know if we will be a good fit for each other. So this approach not only targets lowering CPC, but also emphasizes creating highly efficient and precisely targeted ad spend. So if you guys took any value from that, a like would be very appreciated. And once again, hope I gave you guys some value. Take care.